This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the device supports media volume sync and that your headphones are connected. This feature depends on Bluetooth Low Audio or vendor support. Once connected, open Settings and navigate to Sound or use the Quick Settings tile. Make sure Bluetooth is actively paired and the audio device shows as connected. Now tap the media output or device name to reveal advanced options. This starts the sync process, so the phone and headset can share volume control and consistent gain level. Once the media volume sync option appears, enable the toggle. This binds your phone's master volume to the connected accessory. You'll see the handset volume slider move when you change headset volume, and vice versa. That's the sync working. Make sure to test with media playback and adjust the phone's master level to set a safe maximum. If the system supports per app volumes, configure them next so apps don't override the synced master volume. This ensures consistent listening levels across apps and sources. To finish, play media from different apps and make a test call to ensure volume stays consistent. That confirms sync is persistent. If sync didn't apply, turn Bluetooth off and on, disconnect and reconnect the accessory, then retry enabling media volume sync. If problems persist, restart the device. As a last resort, reset network or Bluetooth settings to clear corrupted pair data. One key troubleshooting tip: unpair and repair the accessory after clearing cache for the Bluetooth service to resolve lingering sync faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.